Good morning. I introduced myself before, but what you only really need to know is that I am CSU. In the meeting yesterday, Interim President Dr. Pogue had presented a letter that was presented to the Board of Trustees. In that letter, it identified a number of key points, key issues where the board has violated its own bylaws related to management of the institution. In addition to that, there were comments that were attributed to Dr. Finney that were made in local press outlets where the race card was actually played to a certain extent. In addition to that, there also, in that same letter, which I'm sure that you're familiar with, my first real question is, why has not Dr. Pogue received an apology? He requested an apology in that letter. Why has the board not apologized to Interim President Dr. Pogue?
No comment. You might say something to the press
Okay.
here.
Next question. I'm president of Chicago State University's Faculty Senate, and it's extremely bothersome when someone who is responsible for leadership in this institution, in this case, Dr. Finney, as the chair of the Board of Trustees, he utilizes race as a divisive tactic.
Yes.
At the last board meeting, there was a comment made, it was an off-the-cuff comment about the white media and the like. Also, in some public press releases, there was a statistic that stated that 80% of the faculty at Chicago State are, I'm trying to quote it exactly, Hispanic, Asian, and white. 49% of the faculty at Chicago State University are of African descent. This continued misinformation that is given to the community, this is clearly problematic. You know, this is the comment, is that I thought we were better than this. I really did. I really did. And the faculty, the staff, the students, administration, we are better than this. I know there's no response to these questions. Let us be clear. When we said I am CSU, that everybody in this room is CSU, this is not over. This is not over. Stand by.